Okay, I taped those two rolls together and I covered it with hard paper. There's about, I think, 14 layers of paper on each side. It's gotten reasonably hard enough to support these two pieces. And the idea is to raise these pieces higher so that we get some room at the bottom, and that will be for these pieces, which will be used to create the sliding system for the lens. And the image, of course, the slide or the slot that's meant for the slide will be placed here. So I'll stick these two pieces together and then I'll explain how this forms the sliding system. Okay, you can see that here that I've turned the projector upside down to show you the pieces that I'm going to use for the sliding mechanism. This piece is 32 layers of paper, and these two are 40 layers of paper. So these two pieces here are thicker than this. These two pieces will be stuck down on this surface, allowing this piece to slide in the center. I'll stick these and then come back. Okay, I have to do this a little quickly before the super glue dries up. I've covered this surface here with tape because this piece is going to keep rubbing on this surface here. I've also covered the edge of this rectangular piece in tape also. This piece is 16 layers, and here is another piece of 16 layers that will be coming on this part or on this side, and you can see that this will be inserted like this. The gap was a little too huge, so in order to reduce the gap I've put around 16 layers of paper over there. And you can see it fills the gap. I had better stick this piece on top here before the glue dries. I'll stick that and then explain the rest.